All right, hey guys, I started making this video and talking about stuff, and then I realized that most of you guys got the attention span of catnip and cocaine these days, so I am just going to go ahead and jump into the unboxing. If you want to know, I'm wearing a Seiko SKS K1 on the wrist today. Love the SKX. Today we have an Addiesdive. I got this one off of Amazon. It was right around $100. Screaming deal for this one. If you guys know Addiesdive, you know they are really all about homages, and I think all these watches come out of one building in China. You know, as far as Addiesdive, Thorn, Tactical Frog, all of them. I think they're just one big building with different names on the doors. And once they get to a certain point, they get to make their own designs. But this is one of their homage watches. And this is an homage to a IWC pilot watch, which I really like. And it's something I'm thinking about eventually adding to the collection as the actual IWC. Because I don't have an IWC in my collection yet. But it's a $5,800 or $6,000 investment unless you go on the pre-owned market or gray market. You can get them a little bit less, but that's what they go for. They're quite expensive. And so I thought, why not give this $100 version a try? And see what we can do. Give me 1 second here to get all this stinking plastic off this thing. It is tactically wrapped, so give me a second. All right, well, that's never fun getting that plastic off, but here you go. This is a really nice looking timepiece. First thing I can feel right off is a little bit of finishing issue on the bracelet. It's a nice bracelet. It feels good, but I can feel a little bit of sharp edges on there, which for a $100 watch isn't surprising. So you have a 39mm case from side to side here, not including the crown, 47.9 lug to lug. You have 12 millimeters, of thinness from the case back to the top of the flat sapphire crystal, and 20mm lug openings, 316L stainless steel, sapphire crystal on here. As you guys can see, these Arabic numerals all the way around, and these sword hands definitely looking exactly like the IWC this watch is mimicking. But again, $100 compared to $5,800. On the case back, you guys can see the Addiesdive logo. They are rating this a claimed 200 meters of water resistance, so really what would be considered a dive-capable watch. Screw-down crown, screw-down case back, making that happen. The bracelet is pretty simplistic, as you guys can see here. Simple push-button clasp assembly with the safety fold-over, no adjustment there. It looks like we are going to have a few, 3 micro adjustments there for that fine adjusting of that watch. So I'm not going to do a full review of this watch. Oh, and by the way, running the tried and true, what we would expect, the Seiko NH35. That is a 21,600 vibrations per hour movement, 42 hours of power reserve with date functionality. Very nice tried and true movement, getting the job done as it needs to. So that's what we're going to talk about right now. I'm not even going to do a loom shot of this watch yet. I'm going to do like a 1 minute short eventually, because like I said, you guys have the attention span of catnip and cocaine. So that's where we're going to see the loom shot. So stick around to the channel. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe and hit that bell down there so you know when I put up a new video. Like this one, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you're not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.